is this, I say? Hey, what is this? There's a big white van just pulled up outside my house. Lovely VW van. Oh, hey, it's the man. What is that? Is that the 698? I think that's the 698. Yes, right, people. That is the bike, the replacement. The replacement 698 Hyper is here. I think she's more excited than me. Oh, look at that new sticker on the tyre. Oh, where's the belly pump? Oh, nice. That's right. Hey, back in the game. Back in the game, people. The Hyper 698 is back. And can you believe it? 4 to 6 weeks I got this. I literally ordered this after my smash and write off. Oh shit. Put the deposit down. 4 to 6 weeks later, fucking landed. First time round, it actually took literally 5 months, 5 to 6 months. But at least this time, so the heated grips I've got fitted. What else? Oh, it looks like I've got the lowered seat. Well, I've got a spare second seat with me. And the quick shifter is, well, I hope that's the quick shifter. And the only thing I haven't got is the belly pan. But I think Clive just said that. I think he's got that back at the dealer. So no big deal. And let's just see. Hey! Yeah, baby! Woohoo! Happy days, eh? Happy days. Right, I'm happy as a pig in shit. The work continues, the channel continues, so let's go, people. Let's go.